Molo Ngu Ron Lo. This is Ron here, and we're going to look at my family. And what we're going to do is look at each member of the family, and he or she will tell you who he or she is. So it's ifamily yam. We ask the question, Ungubani, who are you? Jane. And Jane in isiXhosa becomes Jane. I am Jane. Ndingu Jane. Ndingu Jane. Granny. Umakhulu. I am the granny. Ndingu makhulu. Ndingu makhulu. Who are you? Ungubani? John. Who becomes John. I am John. Ndingu John. Ndingu John. Grandfather? Utatomkhulu. Utatomkhulu. I am the grandfather. Ndingu tatomkhulu. Ndingu tatomkhulu. And who are you? Ungubani? David. David. I am David. Ndingu David. Ndingu David. Dad, father? Utata. Utata. And I am the father. Ndingutata. Ndingutata. Who are you? Ungubani? Mary. Mary. I am Mary. Ndingu Mary. Ndingu Mary. A mom. Umama. I am the mother. Ndingu mama. Ndingu mama. And who are you? Peter. Peter. I am Peter. Ndingu Peter. Ndingu Peter. I am a son and also a child. Unyana, the son. Umntwana, the child. Unyana, umntwana. I am the son, or I am one of the children. Ndingu nyana, I am the son. Ndingu nyana, and I am a child. Ndingu mntwana. Ndingu mntwana. Lastly, the daughter, intombi. Sally. Sally. I am Sally. Ndingu Sally. Ndingu Sally. Daughter or child. Intombi. Umntwana. Intombi, girl or daughter. Umntwana, child. I am the daughter and I am the child. And have a look at how this is put together. Ndi yintombi. I am the daughter. Ndi yintombi. And I am the child. Ndi ngumntwana. So I am the daughter. Ndi yintombi. I am a child. Ndingumntwana. So who are you in the family? And that concludes the video. Inkosi.